How much should you actually spend on retro kitchen appliances? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. The Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker in a stunning retro mint color. This little beauty caught my eye with its charming design and compact size. At a price point that's hard to beat, if you want perfectly cooked eggs every time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can cook up to 7 eggs at a time in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness. No more guesswork or burnt eggs. You simply fill the measuring cup, pour the water, and it takes care of the rest with an auto shutoff feature. With over 5,000 sold just last month, it seems like a lot of folks are loving this kitchen helper. Now, some people complained about the size being too small if you're cooking for a big family. Here's the thing though, if you only need eggs for breakfast, this is a great space saver that does the job efficiently. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to make breakfast for yourself or a small family. Skip this one if you often cook for large groups, but for the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if that compact size bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for your kitchen needs.
Product number 2, DOSMEX Retro Bluetooth Speaker. The DOSMEX Retro Bluetooth Speaker. I was drawn to its cute vintage design and small footprint, making it an ideal fit for any kitchen counter or bedside table. Priced at just $14.99. If you're looking to add some retro vibes while enjoying your favorite tunes, this speaker is definitely worth checking out. So here's why it stands out. This little speaker packs a punch with a 5-watt output and Bluetooth 5.0 technology, maintaining a strong connection up to 32.8 feet. That means you can enjoy clear sound while you're cooking or entertaining. Plus, it offers multiple connection options like aux, USB, and even a TF card slot, giving you versatility in how you play your music. However, some users mentioned that the sound can get a little distorted at high volumes, but honestly, for a speaker this size and price, it's a minor flaw, especially if you mostly enjoy background music. This is perfect for you if you love music and want a stylish, portable speaker that fits your retro aesthetic. Skip this one if you need heavy bass or are an audiophile, but for casual listening, it's a steal. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a multifunctional appliance.
Product number 3, Paris Hilton Air Fryer. Let's talk about the Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer. It stands out with its chic pink design that will add a splash of color to your kitchen. Although the price isn't mentioned, it's positioned as a premium option. And if you want healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this air fryer is its 8-in-1 functionality. You can fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate using 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Thanks to its powerful 1700-watt air circulating technology, you'll get crispy results without the guilt. The spacious 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, and it even has a dishwasher-safe basket for easy cleanup. On the downside, some folks found it a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But here's the thing. The multiple cooking options really make it a kitchen hero, so if you have the counter space, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking healthy meals for family or friends. Skip this if you have limited kitchen space, but for what it offers, it's a fantastic investment. Now, if that size feels too cumbersome, the next product is designed with compactness in mind. Product number 4, Bella Slim Toaster. The list is the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Its sleek blossom design immediately caught my eye, and at an affordable price, if you're looking for a stylish toaster that doesn't take up much counter space, this one deserves your attention. Here's why it's a great choice. The toaster has a slim profile, fitting comfortably in tight spaces without sacrificing functionality. The extra-long 10-inch slot accommodates everything from standard bread to thicker bagels, so you won't be struggling to fit in your favorite breakfast items. Plus, with 6 shade settings, you can toast to your exact preference. However, some users pointed out that it can toast unevenly at times, but I'll be real with you. For the price and slim design, it's still a solid option for most households. This is perfect for you if you want a toaster that's both stylish and space efficient. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty toaster for large families, but for most, it's a great value. Now, if you're someone who loves entertaining, you might enjoy our next product that takes fun to another level. Product number 5, Nostalgia Hot Dog Toaster. We have the Nostalgia 2-slot hot dog and bun toaster. This retro metallic red appliance is not just a conversation starter, but also a fun way to make hot dogs. It's priced attractively, and if you want to throw epic backyard barbecues or game day parties, this is worth a look. Why this matters for you? It toasts up to 2 hot dogs and buns simultaneously, so you can serve your guests quickly. The adjustable settings allow you to toast to your preferred doneness, and it even comes with mini tongs to keep your hands safe when retrieving the hot dogs. Plus, it has a drip tray for easy cleaning. On the downside, some people mention it can be a bit tricky to clean completely, but honestly, if you're just looking for a unique way to enjoy hot dogs, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties or simply enjoy a good hot dog. Skip this one if you're not into hot dogs, but for the fun factor, it's certainly worth it.
We had the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker for quick breakfasts, the DOS Mix Retro Bluetooth Speaker for portable music, the stylish Paris Hilton Air Fryer for healthy cooking, the Bella Slim Toaster for space-saving convenience, and finally, the Nostalgia Hot Dog Toaster for fun entertaining. Each of these retro appliances adds a unique touch to your kitchen while solving specific cooking needs. Happy retro shopping!